I want to feel confident in the gym and learn how to use the equipment. Recently, this has been the #1 request from clients seeking my personal training services, and I'm going to share with you what I teach them. Hi friends, I'm Natalie Carey, a certified personal trainer, and I have fitness solutions for people who feel left out of fitness. Today, I have 5 ways to feel confident in the gym and learn how to use the equipment so that you can go in and know how to do a workout. And I think that tip number 3 is the most important one. Number 1, let's first shift your perspective of confidence, meaning you know how to do everything in the gym, to confidence, meaning you feel safe enough to try things in the gym. Everyone that you think knows what they're doing learned it at some point. I'm constantly learning how to use different gym equipment, and also I'm constantly learning how to use the equipment I'm comfortable with in different ways. And I've been a certified personal trainer since 2011, so it's okay to always be learning. Being willing to learn something is a great way to walk into any fitness situation. Number 2, start with a no expectations, just observing session at the gym. This is your chance to walk around and look at the equipment. You can ask for a tour from the gym staff. Yes, they do that. You can watch how people adjust machines, benches, get a sense for the gym etiquette. If people catch you watching them, they'll probably just interpret this as you thinking they're hot, and that's fine. Number 3, my favorite tip, practice, practice, practice. Using gym equipment is a skill that you have to learn just like anything else that's new to you. And the more that you try new things, the better you'll get. So get comfortable with just a couple of machines or pieces of equipment at first. Just use those over and over for about a month. You don't need to know how to use everything in the gym to get a great workout, to feel confident, and to show up. So I would recommend getting to know dumbbells and the cable machines first. They are easy to adjust. They are adaptable to many different exercises, and in most gyms, even the most crowded ones, they'll be easier to access versus the in-demand squat racks. If you've learned something in this video, please give it a like, and if you've learned 2 things, please consider subscribing to my channel. I've got more content on there just like this. Number 4, here is how to adjust equipment. So something you need to understand is that every person in the gym fiddles with machine settings. It's part of using them. Seat height for benches or lat pull downs, you want your feet to be able to reach the floor and to align with your joints. You don't want to feel like your knees are really squished in there. Pins on cable machines, this adjusts how much weight you're using. And many cable machines have pins that adjust both the arm height and then foot pins that adjust the ankles. Number 5, ask for help. Hire a personal trainer, watch YouTube videos, or reach out to the gym staff to learn how to use machines. I've hired my coworkers to teach me new skills. I watch tutorial videos to learn new exercises. And when we get a new piece of equipment in the gym, I ask our owners to teach me how to use it. I'm gonna post a circuit that you could do with a dumbbell or a cable machine, so feel free to screenshot that while I tell you that the gym can feel like a judgmental place, but asking for help could unlock information and make it feel like more of a community for you. If you have more questions about strength training or the gym, leave a comment below so I know what I can help you with. Please give this video a like, subscribe to my channel for more information like this. I'm Natalie Carey, aka Barbell Blondie, and thank you for being excellent to yourself today.